Hey babe. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did my hair. This is a V-part wig from Ywigs. It's a side bang wig. Body wave is the texture. And I'm going to show you guys how I did my hair. So I'll show you how I wash the wig, how I curl the wig, and how I install. So if you're interested to see how I did that, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like straight out the pack. It is a body wave texture. All the information for this wig will be on the screen, and also a link is in the description box. So this is what the top of the wig looks like. I like that it's like a track at the top. I think that that will be good for sewing this wig down, but that is what the V part looks like. So on the inside of the wig, you can see that it has some really nice sturdy clips in there. You can see the combs. This wig has about 4 combs placed throughout. There's a band on here for security, I believe that is. I'm not sure what that band is for. And then there's also the adjustable straps in the back. So to wash this wig, it's going to be nothing fancy here. I'm just going to shampoo the wig twice with a clarifying shampoo, and then condition the wig, and then allow it to air dry. I just run my fingers through the wig, and you know, that's pretty much it. I did not use any brushes or anything like that. And after I did that, I did go ahead and allow the wig to air dry on the wig mannequin. So after the wig has air dried, this is what it looks like. Like I said, this is a body wave texture, so you're going to get a little wave even after it's been washed. After this hair has been washed with clarifying shampoo, the hair remained really soft even after it dried, and I really appreciate that. I love how soft this hair is. So there's a trick that I like to do to get the approximate length of how long my part needs to be. I like to take a piece of yarn, put it at the tip of the V part, and then follow it along the curve of the opening of the wig, just so I can have some sort of measurement for when I part my hair for leave out. Once I see how long it's going to be, then I just grab my scissors and I cut the tip off. So after I get my measurements, I go ahead and cut the lace off. Nothing special here. I just try to get as close as I can to the weft with the scissors to remove the lace. Okay, so I always go in and do like a pre-part to see about how big my part needs to be. Then I go ahead and clean it up, but as you can see here, I just place the yarn at the tip of my leave out and then follow it along the curve of the part in my head and make sure it is the same length as the yarn. That way I know how long my part should be. Hopes this helps someone. I don't know. I've tried it twice now and it kind of works for me, so hope it can help someone else. But that is the trick that I use to measure my leave out for my wigs. So I already started curling my wig, but I just want to show you the placement of the curls that I put throughout the wig, just in case you want to replicate the same exact curl style. So I'm just going to start off showing you on this half in the back. All I did was separate it in half in the back from ear to ear, and then I separate that half into another half, and then I just went ahead and put 2 curls at the bottom and 2 curls at the top. So it'll be the same for the other half, 2 curls at the bottom, 2 curls at the top, and then on the side I did 1 curl here, 1 curl there, 1 and 1. So yes, and then I'm going to go ahead and place another curl here, and then I actually just went ahead and placed 3 curls going back at the top, and I'll show you once I've curled the hair. Okay, so this is the curling iron that I'm using. I'm going to leave all the information on the screen. So just going to feed the hair into the curling iron, starting off holding the curling iron horizontal, and then I'm going to go ahead and turn the curling iron vertical and continue to feed the hair into the spring all the way until all the hair is inside of the curling iron. After I do that, then I'm just going to hold the curling iron horizontal while keeping the hair on the iron for about 10 to 15 seconds. Once I release the curl off the curling iron, I just hold it in my hand. Then I like to take this eyelash dryer and I like to just blow the curl to shock it cool and to cool the curl down, and this will help your curls last longer. I like the mini fan because it's just so small and convenient, and it's not like overwhelming to where hair is blowing all over the place. I'll leave a link in the description for that mini fan. Now, I just let the majority of the curls hang down, but for the curls at the top where the bang is, I went ahead and just curled it back and clipped it with a clip. So to curl the hair back, I'm just going to comb it. And then I'm just going to make sure, once again, I'm holding my curling iron horizontal, feeding the hair into the barrel, and then letting it sit for about 10 seconds. And then slowly sliding the hair off of the barrel. And then just using a clip to keep the hair in place. I went ahead and just also clipped up a small piece on the other side just to, I don't know, give it some balance. But you can either let the curls hang like I did all over, or you can clip them all up. That's up to you. After the hair is finished being curled, this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to go ahead and spray it with some holding spray. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like before I put the wig on. I just went ahead and washed my hair and separated my hair into about 5 different twists, and then I just put it in a ponytail in the back. So when I'm placing the wig on my head, I like to try to align it as best as possible. So I'm taking the back part of the V first, and I am just laying it directly on my part, and then I'm clipping the wig down along the parted section of my leave out, and I just clip it down as best as I can, and I go back and adjust the clips to make it lie flat. The last clip that I anchor down is the one at the tip of the V, and then I also make sure I place those combs in my hair and just anchor that down. So once the wig is on, I'm just going to take some heat protectant and put it on my leave out, and then I'm going to go ahead and flat iron my hair. I'll put the setting that I put my flat iron on the screen, but I'm just using the Babyliss flat iron. If I can find that, I'll link it in the description as well. So after I flat iron my hair, I'm just going to take my flat iron and curl each side of my leave out going back, and I'm just going to clip it in place with a clip, and then I'm just going to do my makeup and allow the hair to cool down. So after I've curled my leave out, then I just fix my baby hair. I'm just using a little bit of this edge booster. I'm just going to remove all the clips from my hair, and then I'm just going to take this wide tooth comb and comb the curls out and adjust the curls with the comb as I see fit, and just play with my hair until I get it to the way I want it to sit. And that is pretty much it. So that is pretty much it, you guys. I really love this hair. The hair is really, really soft. The only thing that I will say is I tried to straighten the hair to see what it would look like, but then after I straightened it, I went in with the curling iron and the hair would not hold the curls. So do not straighten this hair before you curl it. Luckily, I was able to just wet the section that I flat ironed, and it went back to the body wave texture, and it still held the curl. It was actually this side. So yeah, what can I say? I am enjoying, you know, these hair companies sending wigs to me. I'm so serious because it's just like so much easier than the other stuff. And I love the fact that you could just take these things off at the end of the night, okay? If you guys have any questions about this hair, please leave those questions down for me in the comment section, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.